President Donald Trump criticized his top infectious disease advisor this week, while Dr. Anthony Fauci separately admitted he hasn't briefed the president on the coronavirus pandemic in at least 2 months, revealing an apparent widening in the rift between the two. Dr. Fauci's a nice man, but he's made a lot of mistakes, Trump said in an interview with Fox News' Sean Hannity on Thursday. They've been wrong about a lot of things, including face masks. Maybe they're wrong, maybe not. A lot of them said don't wear a mask, don't wear a mask. Now they're saying wear a mask. A lot of mistakes were made, a lot of mistakes. It's not the first time Trump has contradicted or criticized advice from the White House Coronavirus Task Force, which is led by Vice President Mike Pence. Earlier this week, Trump said he disagreed with Fauci's characterization of the outbreak. Fauci, director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, warned lawmakers at a Senate hearing last week that cases could surpass 100,000 new infections a day if the virus continues to spread at its current pace. "I'm very concerned and I'm not satisfied with what's going on because we're going in the wrong direction if you look at the curves of the new cases, so we really have got to do something about that and we need to do it quickly," he testified before the Senate Health, Education, Labor and Pensions Committee. Fauci reiterated his concern in an interview on Facebook Live on Tuesday. "We are still knee-deep in the first wave of COVID-19 infections," he said. When asked later Tuesday about Fauci's assessment of the pandemic, Trump replied, "I disagree with him. I think we are in a good place," the president said in an interview with the Full Court Press show. "We've done a good job. I think we are going to be in 2, 3, 4 weeks. I think we are going to be in very good shape." Fauci then told the Wall Street Journal Wednesday that states with rapidly expanding coronavirus outbreaks should seriously consider shutting down, like the country did when the virus first hit the U.S. in March. Trump and Pence, however, have vowed to keep reopening America and spent most of the week pressuring state leaders to reopen schools this fall. Fauci, who's become the leading voice in the nation's response to the COVID-19 outbreak, has consistently warned about the escalating dilemma facing the U.S. as daily new cases continue to top records and infections spike in states such as Florida, Texas, California and Arizona. But his voice might not be as loud as it once was inside the White House, where he's advised 6 presidents over the course of his career. He admitted in an interview with the Financial Times on Thursday that he hasn't seen Trump at the White House since early June and hasn't briefed him on the pandemic in at least 2 months. Fauci added that he's sure his messages have been passed on to the president.